Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit, sit with your camera
Good
on.
morning, ma'am.
Many of you are sitting with the camera off. Please sit with your camera on. And let me see the last question which you are asking for the worksheet number. Sixth question, right?
Yes,
Thir-
ma'am.
13, 54, and 72.
No, ma'am.
This question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will take the long division method of this 13, 54 common division method and 72. So which first prime number we will use for
Ma'am.
this?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes.
Two.
But 2 to 13 will not divisible. So what we will do in this case?
We write 13 and only 13 and
As
then
it is.
54 will become 27 and 72 will be 36. 36.
Then next what we will do again?
Point 2. Ma'am,
Again.
13, 20, 27.
Ma'am, 36 will become 18.
36. Ma'am, and 18. Then
Then what we will do?
ma'am, 13, 27, 9.
13, 27, 9.
13, 27, 9.
Then what we will do?
Now it is
3.
13, 9, 3. 13, 3 and 1.
Then what we will do next?
13, 3, 1, 1, and 13. Write on 1, 1, 1. Then 13, 3, and 1.
1, 1. Then 13, 1, 1, 1.
Is my board clearly visible to you all till the last?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am, and the last one will come 13, 1, 1, 1.
13,
13.
1, 1. Now
Then we
13
will
we
take
will take.
normally 13. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we will
Here
multiply.
1, 1.
Now we will multiply them. So 2 twos are
4.
4.
4 twos are
8.
8.
8 threes are
27. 24.
27.
8 threes are
24.
24. 24.
24 fours are
6.
24 threes are students.
72,
72.
70,
72.
72 threes are
216,
216. 206.
216 multiplied by 13.
2808.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, it's
So maybe
2808.
so maybe
2800.
so if your answer is this, then it is right. Maybe it was wrong in that.
Ma'am, my answer came 2808.
Yes.
Ma'am, it was 216.
So maybe it is wrong printed. Okay. Got it, everyone? Done. Your doubts are clear, everyone?
Yes,
Method. You all understood the
Yes.
method?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, scroll down.
What scroll down?
Ma'am, when your board is there, the laptop's keyboard is showing.
Visible. Now it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, children, open your notebooks. Open your notebooks, maths notebooks, and write it in the notebooks. Today we are going to do divisibilities test. Divisibilities test that already we have started with the few divisibilities, that whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, how to check. Whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, how to check. So there are some rules how to check the number is divisible or not. These are called the divisibility test.
Ma'am,
So
I don't
first,
know.
which child was speaking? Which child has told me that I have not understood, ma'am? I
Ma'am,
think Ridan, what you have not understood, bacha?
ma'am, this question.
The question which we have
Ma'am,
done
he is
before this,
saying the LCM.
because you were not there in my last class. How it is possible to learn in the one day? You were not there in the class yesterday. Yes or no, Ridan?
Yes.
So, my dear, you need to become every day in the class. Now, again, repeating the same topic, then the students will suffer. What will I teach them today then? You wait, I will teach you at the last. First, let me start the new concept. So, students, please write in your notebook rules of checking the divisibility test. So, how to check whether any number, if I write after giving heading, don't write anything, just look at the board because I am doing the explanation. Okay. If I am giving you any number 3, 6, 8, 9, and I am asking whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, how you will check? Write it in the chat box. How you will check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not without doing the actual division. आप actual division के बिना कैसे check करोगे? Priya, you will not able to check?
Ma'am, can I tell? I know.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's not
wait.
divisibility
Ma'am, I know.
Okay. Yes, Aryaman.
Ma'am,
Very good.
Ma'am, what is the
by
divisibility?
seeing,
Ma'am,
by
by
seeing one's
seeing the
place,
last number we will. Yes.
by seeing
Someone
the
is
one's
asking,
place.
today's class is not having a discipline in the class. Aryaman, divisibility means division. कौन सा नंबर डिविजिबल होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Okay.
So this is called the divisibility test. Test means check करके देखना. So I am asking without doing actual division, how you will check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not?
Ma'am, because the last number is not even.
Yeah, the last number is the odd number, not the even number. It is not 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Mute your mic, someone mic is on. So at the last place, at the ones place, it is the odd number. So we can say the complete number is not divisible by 2. Got it? This way we can check whether any number is divisible by 2 or not by seeing the last digit. Got it, everyone? So please write now about the divisibility of 2. Make 2 columns. Write 2. And the rule is, if the number is even, if the number is even, that is the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the complete number are you all writing along with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the complete number number is divisible by 2.
Ma'am, it is too big. I am writing.
Please write fast. Adam and other students whose cameras are off, please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. I hope everyone is writing. I hope Migdat is writing. He is not sitting. I hope Migdat is prepared in the class. Mohit is prepared in the class with the notebook and pen pencil.
Ma'am, can you side your hand?
I hope these students, the names which I am calling, are writing in their notebooks.
Ma'am, then
Yes, Samriddhi.
yes, we have to write two. Also, two.
Yes, ये टू का ही रूल है.
Okay, ma'am.
In the heading, you can give a number is divisible by. A number is divisible by. By means by these numbers. जो भी अब इसके बाद में लिखूंगी. By 2, then this is the rule. By 3, then that will be the rule. I hope, can Mohit show me his notebook? Can Mohit show me his notebook that he is writing? Mohit, please sit properly. Can Rahil show me his notebook that he is writing? Let me pin you. Very untidy. And you are writing in some diary or something. Where is your notebook? Where is the maths notebook?
Ma'am,
Where are you? Where is the notebook? So you want to, this is the revision notebook. This is not the maths notebook, I think. Where is the maths classwork notebook, Rahil?
ma'am, this is math notebook.
Show me. Okay. So why you not writing in this? There is not only one rule. There is not only one rule that you have made a column and box and you have written in that. Please write neatly. Yes, Rucha, show me your notebook. Very good.
I'm done.
Ma'am, can I show you my notebook? See.
Ma'am, can I show you?
Ma'am, see.
Ma'am,
Wait,
see.
I am looking to the Ridan. Ridan, no. Untidy work. Sorry.
Ma'am, see.
Ridan, untidy work. Yes, this I.
Ma'am.
Good. Is this your notebook?
Ma'am, wait.
Show me, Lakshya. Yes. Okay. Please, I will write now next divisibility. Yes. Yes, very good. Uja.
Ma'am, can you take your hand side?
Yes, ma'am.
Uja. Today also you have joined late, bacha?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is that written?
Very good, yeah, you
She fixed Hania's work.
I checked, Ayush, very good.
What it is written 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then what is it written?
Then the complete number is divisible by 2.
Ma'am, can you see?
My notebook work.
Yes, good. Yes, good, very good.
Can you see?
Anushka, good. Yes, Ayush, Yash, I checked. Now, please stop showing me. And I'm going to erase the board now because I need to write the next divisibility. So you know how to check whether the number, Karnav, you know how to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not?
No, ma'am.
You don't know?
No, ma'am.
So what are we doing from the last 15 minutes?
Ma'am, I was in the washroom.
Excellent. My dear, tell me any number, any 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, any number.
Ma'am, 5.
Wait a minute, please. Let me talk with Karnav. Yes, Karnav.
Ma'am, 5.
Only 1 digit number. Give me some big number and small. 5 is okay now. 5. Whether 5 is divisible by 2? No, it's not divisible
No.
because it's an odd number.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Please
9850.
mute yourself, students. When I talk with one child, I'm not able to properly concentrate on it. Yes, Karnav, I'm asking you, said the number 5. Number 5 is an odd number which is not exactly divisible by 2. If I take the 2 digit number like 39, 39 at the ones place there is a 9, which is odd number. If you find the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2, otherwise no. Got it, Karnav?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
only one place digit is even. Then
Yes,
it will
only,
be
yeah, only एक ही last की place अगर आप check कर लोगे, then the complete number is the divisible.
okay.
If I do give you any other number 7, 3, 4, 8. So now this big number, how you will check without doing the division? है ना? Division करे बिना ही how you will check?
It is not
Mute yourself,
divisible
Devraya.
too.
Let me speak. Let me complete my topic, then I will come to you. Samriddhi, I'm removing you. Many times unnecessary your mic gets on. So if the number is this, without doing the long division method, how you will check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not? By looking at the ones place.
It is
Which is
8.
8 and so we can say the complete number is divisible by 2. Got it,
Or
Anya?
it is even.
Got it, everyone? Just
Yes,
only
ma'am.
show me
Yes.
thumbs up, no turning on mic, please, Lakshya. Take care. Yes, there. Now ask your query.
I was not asking, I was telling only.
No, once I am explaining to the students, those who have not understood, in between you don't turn on your mic. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because that time I am explaining them. Now write the next divisibility of 3. The number is 3. How to check whether any number is divisible by 3 or not? We have done in the last class also. Tell me
Ma'am, by
how to
adding
check.
up all the digits.
Yes, by adding up all the digits.
Yes.
For example, first I will give you example. Don't write. First I am giving you example. Yes, there. What is your query now?
I was saying the answer.
How? इसमें कौन सा answer?
I was
Okay.
saying that
Giving the example. Okay. Lower down your hands, everyone now. Ayush, lower down your hand, please.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Ask.
my doubt is that I understood how every number that comes by 2, 4, 6, 8 at the last is always an even number. It's because that the one digit number, because 2 is a one digit number, so it will only affect the last digit. So if the last digit is one of the even numbers, it has to be
0 to
divisible
4
by
to-
2.
Yes. Now come to the rule of 3. How we will check whether any number is divisible by 3 or not. Aryam and Sanjay, turn on your camera and sit in the class. For example, now don't write, just listen, pay attention here. For example, if I am writing any number 3, 5, 7, 9, this is the number. So what I will do, I will add the digits. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 9 is What is 15 plus 9?
Ma'am,
24.
24. Is 24 divisible by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So we can
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can show me thumbs up also. In between, if you turn on your mics, no, it disturbs a lot. If you are clear, you show me thumbs up. Okay. You all said yes, yes, the 3, 5, 7, 9. When we add, it's a 24. And 24 is divisible by 3. So we can say the complete number, which is 3579, is divisible by 3. By adding the digits. सिर्फ digits को आर्यमन please pay attention here in the class बच्चा. So only you need to
Write this.
mute yourself, Trisha. I said in the beginning only, this is the example I am explaining you, don't write. Okay. Now what I will write, that you need to write in the rule. So you all understood how to check whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not? By adding the digits. फिर वो कितनी भी सारी digits, so it's a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number or a 6-digit number, add them, and after adding whatever the answer is coming, that number is divisible by 3 or not, you need to check. Okay. Now write if the sum of digits, sum means the total, sum of the digits, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the complete number is divisible by 3.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, if it's a big number like 999 or something like that.
Tell me, we can check with that also. Tell me any number.
Okay, 8569. If I don't know that 45 comes in the 3 table, if it's a big digit, then what shall I do?
Then divide it with the 3.
Okay.
And then remainder should not come. Wait there, I will come to you. First, let me clear Trisha, then I will come to you. Got it? For example, is 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. Then you can check whether 28 is coming in the table of 3 or not. Or it's completely divisible by 3 or not. No remainder should come. If remainder is coming, then it is not divisible. Okay? Yes, there. Ask your query.
And below 3, we have to write this 8569.
No. This is just an example given by and discussed by
We
Trisha.
have to write with the rule also.
Any query?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Jahan Agarwal, what is your query? Lower down your hand. Ayush, what is your query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So as soon as you finish with your queries, lower down your hands. Take a note of this. Karnav not paying attention in the class. Yes, Ridan, let me pin you. Yes, a little bit
Ma'am,
improvement.
after some, what you have write it first?
If the sum of the digits, if the sum means the total. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the complete number is divisible by 3.
Okay.
Megdad, you understood the concept? Yes, Ayush. Okay, good. Very nice. Neat work. Aryaman, what are you doing with your camera? Yes, Nishika. Excellent. Good work.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see.
Very good student. Rahil had improved a little bit. Need to do more neat work. Okay. Now we will do about the divisibility of 4. If the last digit number formed by the last two digits. Now it can be any big number, right? It can be any 4-digit number. Samriddhi, tell me any number of 4-digit or 5-digit or 6-digit. Tell me fast, be quick, Samriddhi, if I'm asking from you. I've already announced your name.
Sorry, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, tell me any 4-digit or 5-digit number.
2, 5,
2, 5.
6, 9, 2. 9, 2.
Mute yourself. How you able to study बच्चा in such a loud noise पीछे से आ रही है.
Sorry, ma'am.
This is a 5-digit. Don't write this. Don't write this. I am announcing again and again. Don't write this. Yes, yes, Twisha, good. Don't write this. This is just an example. These are the Twisha, mute yourself. बच्चा.
Sorry.
This is just an example for divisibility of 4. Yes? This is just an example of divisibility of 4. I think Karnav is not writing. Karnav, you are not writing in your books.
Ma'am, I write 2 and 3.
Okay. So how to check? This is for the divisibility of 4. How to check whether this number is divisible by 4 or not? By seeing the last two digits. Is 92 completely divisible by 4? So we can check 92 is divisible or not. 4 twos are 8. 1 will come down. 2 will come. 4 threes are 12. So it is completely divisible. So we can say the entire number is completely divisible by 4. सिर्फ लास्ट की 2 डिजिट को 4 से डिवाइड करके देखो and check whether the number is divisible or not. Agar that 2 digits are divisible by 4, the complete number is divisible by 4. Got it, everyone? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to erase the divisibility of 3 now. I will write the divisibility of 4.
Ma'am, I did not understood. Ma'am, you are paused.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, your net is gone.
Check the last 2 digits. My dear students.
Your screen is
Yes,
blurred.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now we can hear. Ma'am, you are
Ma'am,
stuck.
your screen is
Ah,
blurred.
listen to me, no? Listen to me. Mute yourself. My dear, sometime for a second it is happening. So why you started shouting, everyone? Now it's clear to you all? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Twisha, please pay attention. As I was explaining you. Wait, Dhyan Dalal. There are any doubts? Lower down your hand.
I was showing you my work, but
Okay. Twisha, as you said that I have not understood the divisibility of 4.
Yes.
Divisibility of 4 says that check the last 2 digits of any number. Either 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 8-digit number, 9-digit number. It can be any big number. Only check the last 2 digits, means the ones place and the tens place. And that 2-digit number divided with the 4, whether it is divisible. If it is divisible, then the complete number is divisible. If the 2 digits are not divisible by 4, then the complete number is not divisible.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Dhyan Dalal, ask your query.
Ma'am, what you have written in after the number is
Divisible by 3.
divisible. Okay.
So now write the rule for the divisibility of 4.
ma'am, till what number we are going to write today?
There are divisibilities of 4, 6, 9, 10, 15. There are easy divisibilities. So, yeah,
There are how many divisibles till 20?
no, few divisibilities only. So, few divisibilities we do today, and some of the divisibilities, if left, we do continue tomorrow in the next class. If the number formed by the last two digits if the number formed by the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the complete number I can write here. After by 4, you can write from here. Then the complete, don't write this side, continue this side only. I don't have a space, so I'm writing here. This is here only. Then the complete number is divisible by 4. Please write fast. And what is the divisibility of, how we will check the divisibility of 5? Any number is divisible by 5 or not? Can anyone guess and tell me?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Anushka?
we can find out by the last digit. The last digit must be 5 or 0.
Very good. Excellent. Any number, if the last digit means at the ones place, if they have 0 or 5, the complete number is divisible by 5. Got it, everyone? This is the divisibility of 5.
Ma'am, so 15 also must be same only.
Am I like the example?
Yeah. I will come on 15 also. Okay.
4,000.
Yes?
And 4,000 digits
Yes.
are divisible by 5.
Yes, because at the last ones plate it is having 0. So the 4,000 is completely divisible.
Ma'am, can I say the 10th rule?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in the 10th
Should be 0.
that the last digit is to be 0, then only it is divisible
Yes.
by 10.
Yes, then only it is divisible by 10. So I am writing the divisibility of 5 also here. Please start writing fast. Can I erase this side?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me thumbs up.
Yes,
If you have
ma'am,
done,
this side, not
only
this
show
side.
me. Okay, show me thumbs up if you are done. Very good, Prisha, writing very neatly. So for divisibility of 5, if the ones digit is 0 or 5. If the ones digit is 0 or 5. If I'm erasing only 2 lines. If the ones digit is 0 or 5. If the ones digit is 0 or 5, then the complete number is divisible by 5. Now, children, I am verbally explaining you 2-3 this divisibilities. We will write it tomorrow in the notebook. Divisibility of 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, automatically it will divisible by 6 also. Got it?
Then one digit. Then what is
If the ones digit is 0 or 5. Is 0 or 5. Other divisibilities we will check tomorrow. Got it, everyone?
Then there is more.
Yeah, there is 3-4 more divisibilities which you need to do.
Ma'am, they are only, ma'am, till we do 10 now.
Done.
Okay. Thank you, students, for today's class. I'm going to send you the worksheet, Google form based on the divisibility.
Wait 2 minutes. I want to write
Ma'am,
this.
tomorrow.
Yeah, please write.
Bye,
Can
ma'am.
you write